Good day, Jesse. Love your channel. You do a fantastic job. I have a quick question for you if I may. I'm a proud new owner of an old 90 XJ40. One thing that I noticed on your videos of the champagne colored Jag you use was the headlight bullseye chrome piece on the inside headlights. I just love the look and I haven't been able to find any info on the web or even what they're called. If you could steer me in the right direction, I sure would love to get those headlight treatments for my Jag. Also, is there a system for the Grille Badges? I also like the look of those and was wondering if I have to earn them or any special meaning behind them. I really do appreciate your time and look forward to more of your videos. You do just a fantastic job. Thanks and much love and respect from Colorado. What's up, Russell? Thank you for your email and your kind words. I hope all is well. And congrats on your purchase. I'm sure you finna love that XJ40. So let me tell you about the parts you're asking for and how to install them. Let's go. The current badge on my X300 is loose, and I'm assuming someone must have tried to yank it out, so I'll be replacing it with a brand new one. There are two hidden screws on the top of the mesh grill. Hang it on my wall. Check this one out, you guys. So much cleaner. Didn't realize that this one wasn't really screwed on the mesh. Might have to do an extra hole there to secure it. Okay. Yeah, gonna have to do a hole. Before Grille Badges, they were called radiator emblems, metal plates with the manufacturer's name or brand that attached to the radiators of the early cars. Grille Badges used to be exclusive and can only be acquired if you were part of a car club or a member of a group. Badges could be used to illustrate a person's credentials, skill level, or accomplishments in a car club community, but now you can just purchase custom or replica badges on eBay. Badges that I know that were used on Jaguars are RAC, that stand for Royal Automotive Club, and AA, badges that stand for English Automotive Association. Alright, let me know what you guys think about the badge. I like it. Looks like it's sticking out like a 3D dimensional badge, but it's cool. I like it. One thing that I noticed though, what's that? The little cover here, the logo came off. It was a really cool, like, old school Jag E-type logo. That sucks. And to be honest, I have no idea where to get these. I mean, I know where to get these type of covers, but Jag specific ones, I have no idea. I ended up getting these when I purchased a Series 3. They were in the trunk. There was 4 of them. The reason why I'm being so hesitant on removing the cover right away is because there's usually a retainer clip behind it and it breaks, but I noticed that it wasn't clipped on. Classic cars are fitted with glass headlights and are prone to breaking in a car accident. The tri-bar covers keep the broken headlight glass from flying out, but most importantly, it gives the front end a vintage look. If I was getting paid for this, of course I would have touched up every little piece, clean it up, polish it, but I mean, I love my mama, but I mean, I don't love her that much.
Nah, I'm just joking.
While I'm here, I also decided to change a few other things on my mom's Jag. She had this plastic fake printed wood knob that looked so tacky, so your boy hooked her up with a genuine wood knob. I also changed the license plate frame with a simple Jaguar chrome frame. I replaced the valve stem caps with some Jaguar growler caps. Little details that matter.
Alright, you guys, it's too damn hot to be outside. Even though I'm under the shade, it's hella hot. Well, at least to me it is. And I already pretty much pimped out my mama's Jag. I'm just gonna go home, turn the AC on, drink some cold water, and just chill. I've been non-stop moving since like 5 in the morning, and it's already 1:30. I'm gonna make sure to edit this today and upload it. I'm trying to give you guys non-stop content. And don't worry, for those that follow me for the Grand Marquis videos, I got you guys. I got you. It's just my brother works Monday through Friday, so I don't have his car. But I'm finna like let him borrow my whip next week so I could start making some Grand Marquis videos. Also, for those that followed me in the beginning, what do y'all thought about these air fresheners? Should I bring these back? Let me know in the comment section. Cool. What else? I think I'm gonna end the video like this. If y'all found this video entertaining, please select the like button. And thanks for watching, you guys. And if you personally want to support this channel, you can always donate. There's a donation link in the video description, or you can purchase a super thanks. All donations be used for tools and parts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.